So here is the PHP script which I have written for you. See, here we have defined a variable JSON which will actually is equated to a JSON variable, the whole JSON objects, and within that object there are other things like item 1 has a single value, item 2 has another variety which is array and list of values, and item 3 is where the value is like an object itself. So because the value is with curly braces. So I'll show you how all these three styles can be parsed using PHP. PHP allows this kind of function, JSON decode, JSON underscore decode, where I can straight away take this PHP variable $JSON and bring it to as a JSON object so that I can then pick values one by one. Okay. So now this statement, a simple statement where we are pulling out the simple value where key name is item 1. So this is my JSON object and I am putting this kind of sign, dash and greater than sign, and then item 1 I am picking. This item 1 will get picked. And this is simply PHP concatenation, and then ordinary string I have put up with a /br, so that because PHP does support HTML text directly. So I am printing this straight away one line as this item 1 hello will come and word will come. In the next case, I am trying to pick up value from an array. So this object and then item name, that means key name, and within that at whatever index I want to pick. So these indexes are called 0 and 1. So I am picking up the first item, that means the second item out of array, which I am expecting to print Namaste, the Hindi word for hello. And then this is simply HTML space, that means ampersand normal blank space NBSP, and then again a JSON object where I am picking up item through another object, which is item 3 is the key name, and now this is the object value. So I have to pick the object value using the key name again, further key name. So that's my another, this kind of arrow is there, and then this key name L1, and then I am picking up this word now. So I am expecting to print Namaste word here. Okay. So let me use this. I am assuming that you already know how to install a PHP server on your machine and then test it. I am using the WAMP server usually. So this file I am now loading through the WAMP server, and let us see how it prints. So this hello word, the first line I am getting using this print command, because this direct picking up string value is coming from item 1 and word is my fixed string. And the second case, this is coming from an array. This Namaste is item 1 out of array. If I change this to 0, save it and call it, this will again print hello word, because the 0th item is hello in this array. Right? So I am again making it 1 and printing it. So it is Namaste word. So okay. Now I'll also show you how to replace values. See, this simple instructions I have written. Item 2 0. Item 2 0th item. Suppose I want to replace this value. Instead of hele, I want to put this bonzo. Okay. So item 2 0th value is being replaced by this string. This is simply to print another line, and then now I am picking up from the item 2 0th, and similar way now I am using the concatenation operator for space, and then item 3 the key name L1, that means again against key name L1 word is written, because this is an object within object, right? So this will get printed as bonjour world. So let us save it and again try it. Bonjour world. So all three cases I have covered, where normal picking is there, through array picking is there. This one is through array, this is through objects, and then this is value replacement. The value replacement can be done within an array, within an object, and direct value replacement also. Okay. So now I hope you will be able to do any kind of JSON parsing in PHP. Thank you.